Hey Shirin, thank you for inquiring about watches with a white and gold dial, and here are our top 3 favorite watches. First up, we have the Michael Kors Lexington watch. This exquisite timepiece operates on a quartz movement and features chronograph functionality, ensuring high-end performance. Its dual-tone stainless steel strap adds a touch of elegance, while the white dial with golden stick indices and hour hands, along with golden crowns, give this watch a premium and sophisticated look. It also features water resistance of 100 meters and a 5-link bracelet. Next up, we have the Seiko Quartz watch. With a sophisticated look, this two-tone watch features a round white dial with a golden crown and gold bezel, along with a dual-tone stainless steel strap. This timepiece is both durable and functional thanks to its sapphire crystal glass, which keeps the dial scratch resistant, and a quartz movement which ensures accurate timekeeping. It also offers 50-meter water resistance and smaller seconds hands. Last, we have the Armani Exchange automatic watch, a super elegant watch that operates on an automatic movement. It is also a chronograph and skeleton watch, which makes it functional. It features a white sunray dial with gold hour hands, indices and case, and a brown leather strap, giving it a very classy finish. Its 50-meter water resistance and mineral crystal glass further promise durability. Comment below which category you would like us to cover next.